Greetings! We are visiting the Worldmark Indio Resort in Indio, California. Indio is about 30 miles south of Palm Springs. This resort is officially a timeshare, but you do not have to be a timeshare owner to stay at this beautiful resort. If you are not a timeshare owner, all you need to do is go to the website, book your stay, and pay with cash. This is a tour of room 307 in Building 12. Room 307 in Building 12 is a one-bedroom unit. This resort does have elevators, so that's very handy. Here's the bedroom. It's very clean. There's a closet, a TV, a dresser. And coming back out into the hallway, we have the bathroom. It is a shower and bathtub combination. Underneath the sink, there are extra towels, and there are towels for the pool. Coming out here is the living room area. Nice decorations. There's a couch, a Murphy bed, and the kitchen area with a very nice painting. Very nice large island in the middle. And I had actually forgotten to open these cabinets. What they have inside are lots of plates, bowls, glasses, pots and pans. This is a full-size refrigerator. There are also utensils. So these kitchens have everything that you need to cook meals. The resort also provides some spices and salt and pepper. Coming out here is the private balcony area. And we have this amazing view of the resort. And by the way, this is not the swimming pool. I guess this is called a pond that goes all the way around the resort. That is the outdoor barbecue area. It is shared space. I love the reflections of the palm trees down here. It's a very beautiful day. Beautiful view. And there is a little playground for kids. And another swimming pool on the far right-hand side. Thank you for watching.